Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove green screen on CapCut PC. So add in the green screen video and select cutout and select chroma key. Select the color picker and select the green bit. Adjust the strength. And also you can add in a shadow if you want. If you can't really see if it has affected the green screen or not, like you want a different background, just add in like this as a any background you want for the green screen. I'm also going to adjust the scaling of this and move it here. I'm also going to add in a keyframe, and I might speed it up a little bit to fit the video. This is optional, by the way. I just want to edit something right now to show you guys. But once you're done with the chroma key, you're basically done. But I just want to add in a keyframe in position and have it till the end of the video, like to the right, so it moves like so. And yeah, that is basically how you can remove a green screen on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!